Hello, today we are unboxing the Sapphire G3 from NUU Mobile. This powerful phone features a 5.7-inch HD screen and a glass back that captures light beautifully. With this phone comes the owner's manual, a clear back case, headphone jack adapter, SIM card tool, a wall charger, and charging cable. The G3 also comes in two other colors, the Ruby and the Tiger's Eye. All phones feature a dual SIM card tray, MediaTek 2.39 GHz octa-core processor, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of memory, and 13 megapixel front and rear facing cameras. For security, the G3 also features a convenient rear fingerprint ID. And there you have it, the G3 from NUU Mobile.